Hello and good morning. Let's take a look here. First of all, we're finishing up week 6, and you do have a test. Make sure you go on Canvas. Today is the 23rd of September, 22nd. All right, let's take a look at these. Here we go. APR is 25%. Well, to get the monthly APR, you have to divide by 12. Remember, this is an annual percentage rate. Clear it out. Press 25, divide it by 12. 12 months in a year, it's 2.08%. And when you change that to a decimal, it becomes 0.0208. And that's what you're going to use. Your average daily balance, you have to multiply these two. And so you're going to have 15 times 600. That gives you 9,000. This one is 16,000 when you multiply. So you carried a big balance here. This is 25,000 charges. And you got to divide by, let me think here now, divide by 31, because you have 31 days, so we're going to have 25,000 divided by 31. So your average daily balance is 806.45. And then you're going to multiply by the monthly balance or interest rate, which is 0.0208. So times 0.0208, and you get a finance charge of 16.77. There it is. And that's what you're going to be charged on your credit card balance. Okay, that's your finance charge for that month. And that's how you do that. Today, we are finishing up 3.5. So don't forget test and homework due. Today is worksheet D, and it's right here if you want to look at it. It's also on Canvas if you want to print it or look at it. And you should get a copy today in class. I mean, how can you beat that? That's like a trifecta. Okay, there it is. Let's turn our attention now to 7th period, okay? So if you're doing anything else and you're not in 7th period, well, you don't want to look at this. So let's take a look here. All right, we're finishing up week 6. So put week 6. Today is 9/23, and it actually should be in the middle part. And you have a test. Make sure you go on Canvas and take that test. You have till Monday night. All right, let's take a look. To factor this, you're going to first take out an x because they all have an x. So you're going to get x squared minus x minus 12. 2 negatives is going to give you a plus and a minus, so you're going to be subtracting to get that 1 right there. So it's going to be 3 and 4. Because 4 minus 3 is 1. And so we want a negative. So we want the negative with the bigger one. And there it is. That's how you factor it. Well, let's go to the next one. Find a domain. Well, on this one, you don't want the denominator equal to 0. So ironically, you set it equal to 0. So you're going to subtract 1. And you're going to say x cannot equal negative 1. It can be all real numbers except negative 1. And that is the domain. This one right here, you don't want a negative. So you want x plus 2 to be bigger than 0. So you want to subtract 2. Bigger than or equal to. So we're going to say x is greater than or equal to negative 2. And that is your domain. Here it is. Today's work is right here. Remember again, you have a test. Have a good day. Have a better weekend. Don't forget to do your work. Good luck. You have 2 shots at the test. See you on Monday.